Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking a look at some more Benebolt LED bulbs for Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. On the right side here, we have the Benebolt 5201/5202 fog light bulb. These are 6000K in color, 1325 lumens per bulb. They come with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day risk-free trial. Another cool thing about these bulbs is they have like a glass lens built into the top that's supposed to help focus the light a little better. They also have the diodes on the side that's going to help spread the light out. So you'll get a little more distance with those in the projector, and then you'll get your width with those ones on the side. These on the left here are the 921 LED reverse bulbs. These are the backup lights in your tail lights when you shift into reverse. So these are also 6000K in color. They are 1200 lumens per bulb, and like every other Benebolt product, they come with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day risk-free trial. So let's get these into the truck and take some comparison shots to OEM halogens. So here are the factory halogen fog lights on the Canyon and the Colorados. As you can see, they're very warm temperature color, probably a 3000K or a 3500K or maybe even a 4000. But they're in that yellow-orange band of light. They don't really put a whole lot of light out on the road. They're very orange, but that's just what they are from the factory. And here are the Benebolt LEDs on the left. As you can see, they put out a lot more light, especially wider light. Granted, this is just on my wall in my garage and it's still daytime, but I'm going to do a nighttime shot here in a little while. But you can compare the left to the Benebolts and the right to the OEM halogen. Here are the Benebolts on both sides. As you can see, they do a lot better job of floodlighting the road in front of the truck as opposed to the factory ones where they have almost like a cutoff, very solid line in front of the truck. So here's another angle from a little bit lower with the fog lights on and the low beams on. And now my truck has Benebolt LEDs in the low beam, the high beam, and the fog lights. So here's what the factory 921 halogen reverse bulb looks like when it's lit up. It's not bad for a reverse bulb, but obviously there's always room for improvement with LED bulbs. So the way you get to these is on the inside of the tailgate, there are two screws on the top and bottom that are T15s. You just need to use a T15 ratchet and take those out. Then you need to grab a hold of the taillight and just pull it straight back out of the opening. This is the reverse light here on the back side of the taillight. And you just need to rotate it out of the way like that. And from here, you can pull the old bulb out. Mine's hot because I just was having it running. Then we're going to take our new bulb and pop it into place. Just like that. Reinstall the connector into the back side of the taillight. Rotate it into place so it's secure. Line up the two pins here on the back side of the taillight with these two holes. Push it into place. Take your two T15 screws and reinstall them. So here's a quick shot of the new Benebolt 921 LED reverse light. As you can see, it's a lot wider than the previous OEM halogen bulb, and it is considerably brighter. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. My final thoughts are the fog lights are okay. They're not the best. There's definitely better LED fog lights out there. The reverse lights are fantastic though. They are super bright and they definitely help increase visibility when you are reversing at night. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.